Hey YouTube, Max Construction Tyler here. This is gonna be a little walk around on my John Deere LA 100. It's a lawn tractor. It's a little cheap one. But here's the back of it. Cup holder. This. We have a clutch over there, so if I want to, I can shift up a gear while I'm still moving, but not stop. Reverse, neutral, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. If my iPod doesn't die before then, I'll probably show you. John Deere, the dual intake. The front end of it, it's, I don't know how old it is, but we got it when I was in 3rd grade. I'm in 10th now. It's about, I don't know, 7 years old maybe, I don't know. I'm not doing math though. Tires, they have turf tires on them. The other side. Then we got a 42-inch deck on it. Down here's the fuel gauge thing. There's where you put the fuel in. Here's the dash, the brake, and the clutch. This is the mower deck. I have it always at 2. All the way up is 4. All the way down, we pretty much almost put the bottom of the metals rubbing right on the ground. Put it all the way up. So to start this, you gotta put brake all the way in. This is parking brake. You just flip that up if you want. Flip it up, let off the brake, push it in, release it. This is so when you have the mower going, you push that down, put it in reverse, and back up, let off when you're backing up, and then I just push the clutch in to go. I put it in neutral, and then I go up to first, and it goes back. To start it, you gotta push this all the way up for choke, and let's see if I can do this. Turn this all the way over. This thing will pull wheel and kill on it. There's first. There's reverse. If you want to see this thing, I will show you that. Hold on. It didn't do it. Runs like a deer, guys. Like